purpose ng commandments ni God is to show how sinful we are. And we're in trouble. At kailangan natin ng tagapagligtas. Ginawa ko tong video na to kasi marami pa rin tao ang naniniwala na by keeping the commandments and by doing good works or good deeds will save them. We always need to remember that God's standard is perfection because He is holy and righteous. You cannot enter heaven if you disobey kahit na isang commandment lang. We cannot even stand before His presence kasi nga holy siya. And if you think na paggawa ng mabuti at pagsunod sa commandments ang makakapaglinis sa kasalanan mo, then you are trusting your own self. You're trusting your own work. Isa lang ang makakapaglinis sa kasalanan ng tao. Yun yung dugo ni Jesus Christ. Yun yung finished work ni Jesus Christ. That's why He said, I am the only way, I am the truth, and I am the life. No one can come to the Father except through me. That's why He is the only way. Sinabi niya ba na, I am the only way, and you are the way as well. Do good works and you will make it to heaven. Kung ang mindset mo ay ang paggawa mo ng mabuti ang makakapagligtas sa iyo, parang sinampal mo na rin si Jesus Christ at sinabi sa Kanya na hindi pa sapat yung pagkamatay mo para iligtas ako, para linisin ang kasalanan ko. But don't get me wrong, hindi ko kayo pinapatigil na sundin ang utos ng Diyos. I'm just telling you na check your motive, check the intention of your heart. Kung ang intention ng puso nyo, kaya nyo ginagawa yan, is to save yourself, then that's very dangerous. Gumagawa tayo ng mabubuti at sinusunod natin ang utos ng Diyos bilang pasasalamat na dahil sa finished work ni Jesus Christ, dahil bayad na lahat ng kasalanan natin. That's why Jesus said, if you love me, you will keep my commandments. We love Jesus Christ because of what He did on the cross, because He sacrificed Himself para bayaran lahat ng kasalanan natin. We love Him because He died in our place. Imbis na ikaw yung mamatay at parusahan ng Diyos, siya ang namatay. Siya ang nag-take ng punishment. Kaya lagi niyong i-remind yung sarili niyo na you're a sinner and you're not good enough and you need Jesus Christ. Our salvation is in Him. And as long as nandito tayo sa mundong to, magkakasala at magkakasala tayo. Kasi itong katawan na to, itong flesh na to, has a sinful nature. And we will keep on falling. That's why we need God, we need Jesus Christ. Because He is the only one that can change your life.